In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to restore a backup of your website using HostGator cPanel. Restoring a backup is a crucial skill, especially if something has gone wrong with your website, such as a recent update gone awry or an unexpected issue that has caused your site to malfunction. Let's dive into the process and ensure that your website is up and running smoothly again just like before. The first thing you need to do is log into your HostGator cPanel. This is the control panel where you manage all of your website-related activities. If you're wondering where to find it, simply head over to your HostGator dashboard and click on the cPanel link. Once you're in, you'll see a variety of options, but today we need to focus on the section labeled Files. Now that you're in the Files section, you'll notice a few different tools available. Look for either Backup or Jet Backup. The availability of these options might vary depending on your HostGator package, but both tools serve the same purpose: saving and, in our case, restoring backups. Click on the one that's available to you. Once you've accessed the backup feature, it's time to select the backup you want to restore. Keep an eye out for the list of available backups, which are usually organized by date. If you're not sure which one to choose, consider the most recent backup made before the issue with your website began. This way, you're essentially turning back the clock to a time when everything was functioning properly. After selecting the appropriate backup from the list, click on Restore. At this point, you may be prompted to confirm your action. Be sure to double check that you've picked the right backup, because once the restoration process begins, existing data could be overwritten. If you're confident with your choice, go ahead and confirm the action. Now, all you have to do is wait for the restoration process to be completed. The time this takes can vary depending on the size of your backup and the server's current workload, so it might take a few minutes. Use this time to take a deep breath, knowing that you're doing what's best for your website. Once the restoration process is complete, jump over to your website and give it a thorough once-over. Navigate through different pages, check links, and ensure everything appears as it should. This final step ensures that the restoration has been successful and your site is back to its pre-issue state. And there you have it. Restoring a backup with HostGator's cPanel is a straightforward task that can genuinely save the day when things go wrong. I hope this walkthrough has been helpful and that your website is now back on track. Thank you for watching.